And Monadeep, I wanted to begin by asking you, you were here shortly after the news of that fire broke. Could you just describe to us some of the scenes that you saw?
Well, initially, the responses we were getting from the hospital, from the authorities, the police, the fire brigade, was one of, sort of calm, saying that, it's not going to be so bad. But soon after I walked in, there was a minister here, Bobby Hakeem, who said at least 20 are feared dead. And that was so shocking. We had heard about 2 bodies being brought out, but 20 was too much. But then, Vishnu, a number of bodies coming out before my eyes from the hospital, one stretcher after the other, moving into the hospital, moving out, with locals helping, and all the faces of the people who were brought out, they were blackened and they were lifeless. It was a chaotic situation with angry mobs also attacking the fire brigade and the police because they felt that the rescue operation had begun too late. Let me take you down to that hour, 2:30 in the morning, when the tragedy began to unfold. 2:30 a.m. Suddenly, the locals living near Kolkata's posh AMRI hospital notice a lot of smoke coming out of the building. The basement of the multi-speciality hospital is on fire. Panic breaks out. AMRI, one of the city's poshest hospitals, houses over 150 patients at any given time in the wing that went up in smoke. Fire engines and ambulances rush to the rescue. But there is too much smoke, and getting to the hospital through the narrow congested lane just takes a lot of time. Patients' families and locals say the fire engines got there 2 hours after the fire started.
घुसने नहीं दिया अंदर में। हम लोग रात 2 बजे से अभी सुबह के 10 बज गया, हम लोग लाशें की लाशें हाथों से निकाला।
कितने लाश निकाला आपने?
100 बोलने से फिर भी कम है।
80 को दिखाता वो भाग गया। खोल लो लोग हाको जब मैं जल गया।
When the smoke broke out, my brother-in-law and myself went upstairs to 4th floor, and I wanted to shift my patient. But the doctor and the staff did not allow me. They said, the patient is okay, do not worry. We will take care of the patient.
At the hospital, the initial reaction is one of calm.
Fire was not 2:30, fire was detected at 3:30. We have all the records.
Okay.
When the inquiry comes, we'll give to the authority all the records.
But as families gather, the hospital, meant for healing, has turned into hell. The entire building is full of smoke, and before the fire officers can put down the flames, the basement, meant for parking, but apparently used as a storage for highly inflammable material, is a raging inferno. Many patients suffocate. Fire rescue teams struggle to get people from the upper floors down, many of whom can't even stand or sit. The body of a patient that has just been brought down from what looks like the 2nd floor of the hospital building. A patient with his leg broken. As you can see over here, many bodies have apparently been brought down. You can see the operation over here. A stretcher being brought to the bottom of this ladder, and then firemen up there putting the bodies down with a rope. I mean, it is really a gruesome task that is going on over here. Firemen on the 2nd floor or the 1st floor of the building bringing out bodies of dead patients. One we just saw with a broken leg in a plaster cast who definitely could not escape. The thick glass exterior comes in the way, and fire officers lose precious time breaking the toughened glass windows to make way for ladders. As ambulances from other hospitals arrive, the news is grim. Dead bodies are moved to the SSKM hospital. Families asked to identify their relatives before postmortems are conducted. As rescue services work to save people, the politicians begin to arrive. Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, who thanked everyone for helping out and then later cancelled the license of the hospital. And then the mayor, who quite simply said that the city's municipal structure was simply not equipped to check all the buildings and if they were adhering to fire norms.
Municipal body has not so many infrastructure that the sophisticated bodies act according to their discipline.
Sir,
To fight the fire hazard, they should their prevention of fire fighting animal.
As the city tried to come to terms with the tragedy, suddenly concerns about a radiation leak, members of the National Disaster Response Team arriving at the hospital.
Any hospital, if something happens, it is bound to be there that there may be some sources like our radiology department is there, so we have to take every precaution.
Not sure we should be here at all. The smoke is very, very noxious and everything here, as you can see, is burnt. This is the ground floor lobby of the AMRI hospital, where the fire apparently started in the basement. We didn't even get a glimpse of the fire, but what turned killer is the smoke, the noxious smoke that emanated from the basement and engulfed the building. It is dangerous to be here. The floor is beginning to give way under me. It's a bit scary, so much glass all over the place. I don't think we'll venture any further, but this should give you an instance, a sense of what went wrong in Kolkata at the AMRI hospital with GD Shankar, Manideepa Banerjee, NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.